friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your paper deals over at Walgreens until November the 22nd, which is this upcoming Saturday. Some of this is done curbside and some of this is done in store. You pick how you wish to do your shopping. And with a booster, a lot of this paper is free or close to free. So the first couple deals we're going to look at are with the curbside pickup, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You can use little discount codes with, so a lot of people prefer to shop this way. Okay, the first two deals that we're doing are curbside. And we're using this best friend, which is the 10 back when you spend 10. Not every account received it, so if you wanted a paper deal, this would be the absolute best one. It is to throw 3 of these Walgreens 9 rolls of toilet paper into a cart for $11.97. Alternatively, there's also a paper towel with the Walgreens brand at $3.99. It would be the same math. You can mix and match, get all toilet paper or all paper towel. Using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.20. So if you did this in store, it would be $1.20 more, but if you do it curbside, you can use this discount code. So that's why curbside is a little better for this one. The overall total is $11.97, $1.20 melting off, free pickup, tax. You're going to pay $11.42 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $10.55. This is a really great deal any way you slice the pie. As you're using that spend booster of spend 10 to earn 10, you have to pay the balance with your debit card or credit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash. But what a fantastic little deal to make something happen. I absolutely love this. And stocking up on paper products, super smart right now. The second deal we're looking at, again, is curbside, and we're using our friend again, the 10 back when you spend 10. Alternatively, if you don't have this booster, if you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, you may use it, but you're not going to get 10 back, obviously, if you don't have the booster. For this first basket, we're going to throw in one of the quilted northers for $6.99, and then one of the cottonelles for $10. Both of these products have a $1 digital coupon, so you'll have to go in the app, go right below it, and there's a little plus sign, just press it, and a $1 coupon will come off for each. I know a lot of you are big fans of the Cottonelle line, so this is a way to get it into your basket. And then just to show you a $1 coming off, and then $1.50 with WAG 10, so that is nothing to sneeze at right there. The overall total for these 2 units of paper is $16.99. That's coming off along with the $2 digital. You're getting back $10.16. The balance you have to pay with your debit card. It makes it like $4.42, factoring in the tax too, for the 2 units, or like $2 and some change per. For Cottonelle and Quilted Northern, that is a very good price point. I know a lot of you prefer these fancier brands, so this is just a workaround to get it on the cheap. The last 2 deals we're looking at are going to be in store. Okay, so we are shopping in store, and we're getting 2 of these products at $6.99 a pop. $3 reward when you purchase 2. I'm going to go for the Brawny and the Quilted Northern. For Mr. Brawny, we have a $1 digital, and Quilted Northern a 50-cent digital. Alternatively, you can always get the Dixie plates or those cups or the Angel Soft, and the 50-cent digital is attaching to those 2. 2 of these products is $13.96. Subtracting $1.50 in digitals, you're going to pay $12.48. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.48 for the 2, or $4.74 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But if you have that 10 back when you spend 10 booster, this will be a freebie and a small money maker for you. And it is the fancier line of Brawny and Quilted Northern. So go and make that deal happen. The final deal that we're looking at, and we're doing this one in store, it is to pick up one of the Scott toilet paper and one of the Scott paper towels. For that toilet paper, we got a $1 digital starting on Sunday. Unfortunately, the paper towels, there is no digital coupon, but grabbing 2 of these on a buy one, get one 50% off, that's $7.50. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $6.50 for the 2, or $3.25 per unit. If you might have register rewards from previous deals in the week, Colgate, that Hello toothpaste, you want to throw one of those in, by all means go for it for a lesser out of pocket. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or throw in a bunch of register rewards for a smaller out of pocket. This is meat and potato stuff that a lot of us are stocking up on right now. If you gift this sort of stuff to family and friends for Christmas and they want that beautiful hamper with the big thing of Scott, you might want to be stocking up on this deal. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. And in case you missed yesterday's video, I will link it right here. Big Tides for $1.74. You can't beat that price point. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.